In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pagepilot with Shopify. This process is straightforward once you understand the steps, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless integration between these two platforms, making it easier to manage your online store effectively. Start by ensuring you have access to both your Pagepilot and Shopify accounts. Having your login details handy saves time and allows you to focus on the connection process. Once logged in, navigate to your Pagepilot dashboard. This is your command center for managing your pages, and it's crucial for this integration. Next, locate the Integrations tab within Pagepilot. This section is designed to facilitate connections with various platforms, including Shopify. Click on the Integrations tab, and you'll be presented with a list of platforms and apps that you can connect with your Pagepilot account. Find Shopify from the list of available integrations. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform, and integrating it with Pagepilot can significantly enhance your operations. Select Shopify, and you'll see instructions or prompts that guide you through the necessary steps to proceed with the integration. Now, it's time to head over to your Shopify admin. From your Shopify dashboard, you'll want to go to the Apps section. This area is where you can install new apps and manage existing ones. Here, you have the opportunity to browse the Shopify App Store or directly search for specific apps through the search bar. While in the Apps section, search for the Pagepilot app. It should appear in the search results, ready for installation. Click on the Pagepilot app and follow the prompts to install it on your Shopify account. The process is usually straightforward, but be sure to read any terms and confirm any permissions requested during the installation. With the Pagepilot app installed on Shopify, return to the Pagepilot Integrations tab. You'll need to authorize the connection between the two platforms. This step might require you to log into your Shopify account again or confirm the connection request. Make sure to follow any prompts carefully to authorize the integration successfully. Once authorized, take a moment to review the settings within the Pagepilot Shopify integration. Look for customization options that align with your business goals, such as how products and orders sync between platforms. Adjust any settings necessary to tailor the integration to your preferences. After reviewing the settings, perform a quick test to ensure everything is working correctly. You might update a product or change some data within Pagepilot and verify that these changes reflect accurately in your Shopify store. Testing the connection helps to catch any issues early on. And there you have it, the process to connect Pagepilot with Shopify. This integration not only saves time but also streamlines the way you manage your online business, creating a more efficient workflow. Now you're ready to leverage both platforms to their full potential, enhancing your online operations seamlessly.